Samoa, Amuya, Uatauru, Umalemanua, Lomfa, Amoe,
on the track, on the track.
Chili mama tao to sitoria ina. Haolitina uchuchurua uwale pisa. Ia poli ulilumtino.
Just shopping for London and his sister Laura. It's not Laura, but I've named her Laura. What do you guys think? What do you think? Blue? It's like a boob tube and a skirt. Or the white? They have so many. Show them. This is their whole rack. They have nice clothes. Or the green even. The bright? Or the top. So which grows a little bit older. So fam, Evengi is like a massive, Evengi's like a massive store, like a proper store. They also sell school clothes here. So all the schools, I'm pretty sure all the schools around Samoa, or maybe even not, but yeah, they sell school clothes here. They sell Adidas and nice things that are at the back. And we even have the ladies dresses. Our ladies dresses start from 89 Sera, so you come in and you will find whatever you want. And we even have the kids clothes as well. We have the boys shirts, we have the girls dresses, we even have guns for little boys. Even if you want any sports gears and all that, we have our LA gears in our sports shops. Even like we have our basketball jersey, they're all in Samoan design and all that. So yeah, so feel free to stop by anytime when you visit Samoa. Thank you to WASSUP. What's up T&S family? We're back with another vlog all the way from Samoa. So we just checked out of our hotel in Mona Lisa and we have come back to Ngofwali because we will be leaving from here to go to the airport tomorrow morning. So today's basically our last day. Sis, how do you feel about it being your last day? So yeah, we came to Ngofwali to drop our suitcase and now we're gonna head back to town so we can pick up our few stuff, our last minute stuff. See you fam, let's go!
Frontline production. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Line boy. Stable is a boy. Stable in the world. Yes. Hey boy, my mama, my Stable Coco, Bako Samoa. Casile loco,
Okay, and so we just got into town and we're gonna have a little walk inside the market and see if we can find anything for Lincoln and the newborn. I don't know Laura, but I don't know her actual name. Until I know her name, I'm gonna call her Laura, which is totally safe. See you then, let's go! section might go a bit cray about this hat, but shout out to my sister. It's actually her hat. She was gonna throw it away to one of my cousins, but I was like, I'll wear it today. But yeah, we're going to pick up our bears that my mum's niece is making, so my cousin is making, and the bears are for my dad's surprise 60th. So we'll be doing that, and then after that we will come back to the market and we will play the translation game. Stay tuned. Don't forget to click that button down below to give this video a thumbs up. Okay fam, so we got our stuff from our cousin. We just came to Samoa Plaza to go up there, DMC. Chris is feeling like rice, but we'll see if they sell rice. Sissy, hot? Are you hot? Welcome. Where did you start? What you said?
Yes.
Chris is just sorting out her phone. We topped her up this morning, 10 tala, and apparently it all finished because she didn't pick the bundle right. Anyways, I wanted to promote Digicel. I'm not being paid for this, lol. But if you're ever in Samoa and you want to switch over to a Samoan SIM card, you can get your visitor SIM for free. Yes, family, for free. You don't pay for the SIM. And then you top up 50 tala and that gives you 15 gigabytes. Make sure you check out Digicel.
My name is T. Whenever you're in Samoa, stop by to Digicel and get a SIM card. Remember, we also have free visitor SIM. If you want it, come and take it from Digicel.
Samoa, amuya oe. Uatauru umale manuya lomfa amoe moe.
On the track, on the track.
What was your family name? Oh, I'll give you family name. I know. All of them. DMC, I just got a chicken and chips, which is 10 tala, and I got popcorn chicken, which is 6 tala, and Chris just got a nugget meal. Chris here in the island, she doesn't eat that much. Nope. Yeah. Sis, bon appetit. So these are the public toilets here at the Makeki. What's this Makeki? Not Makeki Lava, the other market. And you come here and then they'll ask you 1 or 2 and they give you the toilet paper. I'm going to show you. Do we go in? Oh, yes please. 1 tap. So this is what you do. So when you need to use the toilet, they'll give you toilet paper and they say 1 or 2, but I didn't say anything because I was too scared she was going to growl at me on the camera. No, I'm just going to save the toilet paper.
Do you need it? Just leave it there for someone in need. And yeah, fams, that's what I wanted to show you, the toilet. Let's go. Patch on top of my moustache. Can you translate for us? If I go so apa yung? May palang. If I go so apa yung? Yeah? If I go so apa yung? Pas papalangi.
Ya chào đâu
Yes.
Yes.
Pakauso apa ingo?
Yes.
No, you have to say in Palangi. Kau oi translate for Palangi mai. Yeah, okay, kau for Samoa. Yeah, ile Palangi. Go. Pakauso apa ingo?
Again.
What color is the sky? Apa sa kau lele? No, it could come for Palangi.
Oh, you are so beautiful. You want to come to New Zealand?
No, Australia.
You come from America, United States of America. Are you crazy?
No.
You stupid?
Oh my God.
You're so lucky.
Hey, olhar para Palangi melia.
Yes, I can.
Oh. Olhar para Palangi melia. Hey fam, so our trip is ending and we're going back to Samoa. Sis? Oh. We're going back to Australia, I mean. So we're checking in. Me and Chris don't even want to go. Sis, do you want to go? No. Okay, we're just going to check in. We'll be back. Okay, Samoa, we are going back. And although we don't want to go back, don't worry, we will be back at the end of the year. So stay tuned for more vlogs. We love you. Tofa Sofua. Thank you so much, Samoa, for having the T&S family as well as KNS. Bye. Bye. So far, so good. If you like